Hello from Tokyo. Today I'm going to use a very light pastel pink as my base. This color here, it's so close to titanium white as you can see. And the flowers will be Primary Magenta, Iridescent White, Titanium White, and Light Gold. And this pink is a tiny little bit of Primary Magenta mixed in with Titanium White. And the base is this very clear PVA glue, 70% and 30% water. And the colors have a little bit of Floetrol to make it a bit thicker. You can always use extra paint instead. Here you can see the thickness or thinness of the paint, the base paint. And this is how much thicker, it's only a little bit, but thicker the colors are. So let's lay down the base. It'll be interesting to see how dark this pink will dry. At the moment it looks very light, but you never know until everything dries. My previous pastel blue base dried quite dark, darker than I thought it would. So let's add the colors for the flowers. I'm wanting to create sort of like a border of pink on the outside and then a bit of white and then pink in the middle. So that's what I'm trying to go for here. And we'll see if it works out or not. But see, you can see I applied more white, but a lot of the pink is swallowing it up. The magenta is swallowing it up. But we'll carry on. For this particular painting, I am going to lay down all the colors and blow them out, as you can see, and then I'll start balloon smashing. So I'll come back to you when the balloon smashing starts. I hope you enjoyed the video today. Okay, it's time to balloon smash. Let's see how this goes. Will it work? Will it retain a darker middle? No, it didn't happen the way I wanted it to, but it's still very pretty as always. This primary magenta is so nice to work with. I love it. I love how it creates a lot of lacing because it's a transparent color. Don't forget to put your finger in the middle of the flower and dab it to center the painting. So recently I've been squatting down to eye level with the canvas when I do the balloon smash. I feel like it gives me a lot more control and I can see how flat or how level the balloon is. I actually enjoy watching the paint being pulled off the canvas when lifting the balloon up very slowly. There's something very therapeutic about that. So I'm going to just fix the middles of the flowers with either the dotting tool or my finger in this case. Sometimes I also use a toothpick. If you do have sensitive skin or have any allergies, please use gloves or wash your hands straight away. Okay, let's have a look at the wet finish of the painting. I'm just showing you a canvas here so you can tell the difference of color in the base, the pink base. I think I could have added more flowers to this. I played it a bit safe here, but it looks great as it is. But yeah, I could have added a few more flowers. Here you can see what I wanted, which was a darker center. That didn't quite happen, so I'll have to experiment again in a different painting. But yeah, I do love it as it is. It's still really beautiful. I think that gold always goes so well with this primary magenta. I love how it blends together to make a kind of sepia color. You'll see that a bit further up. This lacing makes me think of butterflies. It's really great. That might be really cool to do with greenish blue or Prussian blue, one of the other bluish transparent paints by Amsterdam. And you can see again the gold and the primary magenta mixing to make this sepia color I was talking about. Super pretty. It's so simple. It's just so easy, this style of painting, and this color scheme makes it all look great. So I hope you can try that too. Let's have a look at the dried finish now. It's so nice how everything flattens smoothly once dry. I love the fact that this flower has sort of a dimensional look to it. The middle might not be the color I wanted it to be, but still it's very pretty. It's actually the reverse of what I wanted, but I don't know where the titanium white has gone. You can't see much of it. That one there on the left has got more of a pink middle, the one that was next to this. So it kind of worked out there. This one here, this one with only the 4 petals, that's the middle I was going for. So I have to review how that happened. I love those petals though. And here you can see that sepia color even more now that it's dried. The gold and magenta blended there. Yes, I know this one is not like something new apart from the color of the background, but there's one I really enjoyed doing, and I'll try again and tweak it a little bit. I'm even thinking I could go an even lighter pink. Here is a titanium white background. You can see the difference in petal size and shape as well because of the consistency and the paint type and brand. It all makes such a difference. What do you think about using a pastel color for a background? I am going to play around with trying to get a darker middle in the next painting. So thank you so much for watching today, and see you next time. Bye!